Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to walk through an exciting topic, and that is how you can remove background from your image in one click with Canva. So first of all, you need to find out a layout for your image. Like I am going to make a Facebook layout, that's why I will search for Facebook. Once I click over here, they'll give me some suggestion. I will choose Facebook cover. Once I click over here, then I will choose this, create a blank Facebook cover landscape. Just click over here, and now it will take a while, and then I will find out an image there. I just remove the background. So for that reason, I will search here an image of a man. Once I search here, they will give me some images here. Then I will choose this one, and this looks really nice right now. Then I will click on PG remover option. So just click over here, and it will take a while for the process. Then now you can see, boom, the background has been removed, and this is the easiest way till now while watching this video. So just click, and then you can see the result. Even it is not a headache for anyone who don't even know anything about online internet exploring. He can also, or she can also do it. So I hope this video might be helpful for you. If you think it is helpful for you, then don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also if you have any question, just ask me in the comment below. I will catch you in the next video.